Hello and welcome to today's video on motivation. Motivation is a driving force that helps us pursue our goals and dreams. It's what keeps us moving forward and helps us overcome obstacles. But what exactly is motivation and how does it work? Motivation is a complex mix of emotions, thoughts, and behaviors that drives us to take action. It's driven by our desires, needs, and values. And it can come from both external and internal sources. External sources of motivation might include things like rewards, praise, or recognition. These things can be very effective in motivating us to take action, especially in the short term. Internal sources of motivation, on the other hand, come from within ourselves. This might include things like personal goals, values, or a sense of purpose. Internal motivation is often more enduring and can be a powerful force in helping us achieve our long-term goals. So, what does motivation do for us? It helps us take action and make progress towards our goals. It gives us the energy and drive to overcome challenges and setbacks. It helps us stay focused and committed, even when things get tough. But motivation isn't always easy to come by. Sometimes, we might feel unmotivated or lack the energy to pursue our goals. That's where self-motivation comes in. Self-motivation is the ability to motivate ourselves, even when external sources of motivation aren't present. It's about finding ways to tap into our internal motivation and staying focused on our goals, no matter what. There are many ways to boost self-motivation. One effective technique is setting clear, specific, and achievable goals. This helps us stay focused and gives us a sense of progress and accomplishment as we work towards our goals. Another technique is to break our goals down into smaller, more manageable tasks. This can help us feel more in control and less overwhelmed by the overall goal. Finally, it's important to stay positive and surround ourselves with supportive and motivated people. This can help us stay motivated and on track towards achieving our goals. In summary, motivation is a powerful force that helps us take action and make progress towards our goals. It comes from both external and internal sources. And it's something we can work on boosting through self-motivation techniques like setting goals, breaking them down into smaller tasks, and surrounding ourselves with supportive and motivated people. I hope you found this video on motivation helpful. Thanks for watching.